Hey there, muscle car fans. Thank you again for watching Pedal to the Metal muscle car performance videos. Today we're going to show you this amazing 1970 Ford Mustang convertible in Mach 1 style. If Ford ever would have produced a Mach 1 in convertible edition, which they never did, the car would look probably something like this. As you can see, it's got all the Mach 1 details like the Mach 1 hood, the stripes, it's got the rear end, and it's got the full Mach 1 interior and dash. This car is also equipped with the correct 351 Cleveland V8 engine that's been a little bit tuned up until around 375 horsepower, but it might also be more, hooked up to an automatic transmission. The car's got a brand new suspension, steering system, four-wheel disc brakes, all new aluminum wheels, power convertible top, power steering, and everything that you could want on a Ford Mustang convertible. The car looks amazing in the red and white color combination. The white hood stripe, the white top, and the white interior really looks fresh. And of course, in the summertime, it's also very cool because you don't want to sit on a black seat on a hot summer day, right? So just check out this car. The chrome is also amazing. All the trim has been redone. The wiring has been redone, the dashboard, everything works, and the car also really drives and handles perfectly. It's also a pretty fast car, especially for a convertible, and it's a really rare car. It's like a pro touring style car, but it still looks really classic and really original like the 1970 Mustangs did. If you want to see more about this car, please go online to our website at www.pedaltothemetal.nl for pricing, more details and pictures. Thank you for now.